Okay, this tutorial is to show you how to solve the exercise which was in the exam of 20 May. In this exercise, consumption is assumed to be equal to 300 plus the propensity to consume 0.5 disposable income. Investment is equal to 200 plus 0.3 which multiplies income. Taxes are fixed equal to 400. Government expenditure is equal to 1000. So we need as first question to identify the propensity to consume, which is 0.5, and we know what we need to explain what this propensity to consume represent. In this case, and the propensity to consume is the reaction of consumption to an increase in disposable income. We need also to compute the government deficit. We can compute the government saving as T minus G, and so in this case 400 minus 1000, which is equal to minus 600. So the government deficit will be equal to 600. The second question is to compute the equilibrium value of income, which can be computed as C0 plus I0 plus government expenditure minus the propensity to consume, which multiply the level of taxes, and we need to divide by 1 minus propensity to consume minus B1, which is the parameter identifying the sensitivity of investment to income. So we can apply these equations. 0 is this part of consumption, 300, plus 0 is this part of the investment, so 200, plus government expenditure is 1000, minus the propensity to consume, which is 0.5, which multiply the level of taxes, which is 400. And then we need to divide by 1 minus the propensity to consume is 0.5 minus 0.3, which is this parameter of sensitivity. The result will be 6500, which is the equilibrium. The third question is to check that if we produce an equilibrium value for income, in this case it must be satisfied the condition investment equal to saving. So in this case, investment equal to saving implies that investment must be equal to household saving plus government savings, under the equilibrium value of income, which is 6500. The investment in this case will be equal to 300, applying the equation in the system, plus 200, which is the investment, plus 0.3, which multiply the income, which is 6500. So the level of investment produced by this economy will be equal to 2150. The government saving, we know that is the difference between taxes and government expenditure, and this economy is equal to minus 600, which denotes deficit, government deficit equal to 600. The household savings is equal to the disposable income minus consumption. So the disposable income is the income 6500 minus taxes, which are 400, minus consumption, and consumption is equal to the disposable income, which is 6500, minus taxes 400, so this is a square bracket. So the disposable income minus the propensity to consume 0.5, which multiply, is not the disposable income, is we need to apply the equation in our system. So consumption is equal to the autonomous consumption, which is 300, so the part of consumption which does plus 0.5, the propensity to consume, which multiplies the disposable income, which is 6, is this difference, so 6,100. Using the results of this, the household consumption should be 2,750. So disposable income minus consumption. So household savings plus government savings is equal to 2,750 household savings plus government savings is minus 600 because it's a deficit, so it's equal to 2,150, so exactly equal to the level of investment produced by this economy. We have also another question. We need to compute the taxes and government expenditure multiplier. The taxes multiplier is equal to minus C1 divided by 1 minus C1 minus B, which is equal to the propensity to consume 0.5 divided by 1 minus the propensity to consume minus the sensitivity of investment to incomes 0.3. The result is minus 2.5. The government expenditure multiplier is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus the propensity to consume minus B, which is the sensitivity of investment to income. So we have 1 divided by 1 minus 0.5 minus 0.3, which is equal to 5. This means that if we reduce taxes by 100, we will have an increase in income of 250. If we increase government expenditure by 100, the equilibrium value of income will increase of 500. The question was in the exercise, what is the effect of a reduction in taxes? What is the effect of a reduction of tax cut equal to 200, so reduction in taxes? The effect is that the income will change according to the change in taxes, which multiplies the multiplier, which is minus 2.5, so 400 with a positive sign, which implies an increase in equilibrium, 500. An increase in equilibrium income, which will be y star equal to 700 respect to the initial case.